Here we go. Verbs for beginners. Let's get started. To be. Linking verb used when you are naming people or things. She's a great teacher. She's a great teacher. To have. To own, hold, or possess something. He has a book. He has a book. To do. Perform something. We do our homework carefully. We do our homework carefully. To say. To speak. They say it in whisper. They say it in whisper. To go. To move from one place to another. I go to the theater once a week. I go to the theater once a week. To get. Receive something. I got a letter from my friend. I got a letter from my friend. To make. Create something. We are making a cake. We are making a cake. To know. Be aware of something through observation or information. She knows English. She knows English. To think. To have an opinion about something. They think they are right. They think they are right. To take. To carry something. Did you take my book? Did you take my book?